This is a 4-station dial. We're at the load station, and this has a small fixture with one anvil attached. We have a small disc that is going to be formed inside of this plastic molded part. And we're forming one of the nodules that are on here to hold this disc in. So at the load station, we're going to load everything in, swipe our opto touch. It's going to go on to station 2, which is a camera, and the camera is going to verify that all of the parts are present and in the right orientation. After that, we're going to be going to station 3, which is a 125 power head, and that is going to come down, form our parts together, but also keep track of load, pressure, and form distance. And we have parameters set to make sure that it's a good part. If it is a good part, it will be ejected off the machine from our pick and place. If it fails either station 2 or station 3, the camera or the process monitoring, it'll come back to the operator, and the HMI will tell what station it failed.